Quicken Classic Business and Personal Tutorial 2025. So, Quicken Classic, this edition combines robust personal finance tools with advanced small businesses and rental manage features, allowing you to manage both realms seamlessly yet separately. It works on Windows and Mac and supports local data storage with optional mobile or web sync. But to pretty much get started, of course, the first thing you're gonna have to do is to install. You can download and install the software for Windows or Mac. You can go to your preferred browser and just search for Quicken. And then during setup, choose whether to sync with mobile or web, which is helpful if you plan to use Simplify. Then, once you have signed in though, you can go ahead and start linking your account. So you can go to add account, select your bank or financial institution, and enter your login details. So signing up, you are gonna have to create your own account. So you're gonna have to enter some of your details like your first name, last name, and emails, and just go ahead and get started. There you can navigate to your dashboard, and on launch, the home tab gives a quick overview. So your net worth, budgets, spending, bills, and alerts. You can pretty much just start creating a budget. So Quicken suggests a budget based on your spending patterns, then customize it as needed. You can also track business and rental operations, so you can switch to business or rental sections to manage options like invoicing, rental income, tenant data, and lease tracking. You can run and export reports. So use the reports in Graph Center to generate customizable reports, profit and loss, tax schedules, balance sheets, and etc. But of course, you can always go ahead to their preferred browser to search for Quicken and learn much more about Quicken, as they will give you information about most of their features that lies inside Quicken. But hopefully the information of this video can help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.